Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus from your Chuwi HiPad Max. So at the start if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit inside, that means that's just spamming pop-ups. That means you have a notification software and you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm gonna show you the first method. Open the settings, choose the apps, and I'm gonna seal apps. Now check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name, just open it and select go install. Tap on this button again, and after that go back to the app list and look for your web browser. Now tap on storage and cache and choose manage space. Tap on the clear data and tap on OK. After that your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. And in this application, tap on the green circle and choose the OK. Then add the permissions to the files and go back to the app. Now the scan started, and after that, all of the unwanted softwares should be removed from your tablet. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.